Welcome to the world of Zoom. Zoom is like a magical doorway. It lets you meet with people anywhere in the world. All you need is a computer or phone and an internet connection. This guide will help you become a Zoom expert. We'll start with the basics. You'll learn how to create an account and download Zoom. Then, we'll cover scheduling and joining meetings. Get ready to explore all the cool things Zoom can do. We'll learn about screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, and more. By the end, you'll be a Zoom pro. Let's get started. First things first, let's get you set up with a Zoom account. Whether you're planning to use it for work meetings, virtual hangouts with friends, or online classes, having a Zoom account is essential. It's super easy and only takes a minute. Open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whatever you like to use. Any browser will work just fine. Once your browser is open, you'll need to navigate to the Zoom website. This is where you'll start the process of creating your account. Go to the Zoom website by typing in zoom.us into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you directly to Zoom's homepage. Type in zoom.us and hit enter. You'll be greeted by the Zoom homepage, which is the starting point for setting up your account. You'll see the Zoom homepage. Here you'll find all the information you need about Zoom's features and services. Click Sign Up. It's free. This button is prominently displayed in the top right corner of the page, making it easy to find. You'll find this button in the top right corner. Enter your email address in the field provided. This email will be used for all communications from Zoom. Zoom will use this to verify your account. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account secure. Make it something you can remember, but others can't guess. A strong password is crucial for protecting your personal information. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is best. Click Sign Up once you've entered your email and chosen a password. Zoom will send you an email to confirm your account. This step is important to ensure that your email address is valid and that you have access to it. Check your email and click the confirmation link. This will verify your email address and activate your account. This will activate your brand new Zoom account. Now you're ready to start using Zoom for all your virtual meetings and gatherings. Enjoy. Now that you have a Zoom account, it's time to download the app. This is what you'll use to join and host meetings. Go back to the Zoom website, zoom.us. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the Downloads section. Click on Zoom Client for Meetings. This will download the right version of Zoom for your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file. You might find it in your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Zoom. This usually involves clicking Next a few times. Hosting your own Zoom meeting is a breeze. Whether you're planning a quick catch-up or a detailed project discussion, Zoom makes it simple and efficient. Follow these steps. Open the Zoom app. It's available on both desktop and mobile, so you can schedule meetings on the go. You'll see the main Zoom window. Click on Schedule. This is where you'll set up all the details for your meeting. It's the big orange button. You can't miss it. Give your meeting a name. This helps participants know what to expect. Something like team meeting or project brainstorm works great. Be specific to avoid confusion. Choose a date and time. Make sure it fits everyone's schedule. Make sure it works for everyone who needs to attend. Set the duration. Consider the agenda to estimate the time needed. How long do you think the meeting will be? It's better to overestimate slightly to avoid rushing. Click Schedule. That's it. Your meeting is now set up. You've created your first Zoom meeting. Congratulations. Zoom will generate a meeting ID and password. These are essential for joining the meeting. You'll need to share these with the people you want to invite. Make sure they have all the details. You can copy the meeting information and paste it into an email or calendar invite. This ensures everyone has the correct link and details to join. Section 5. Joining a Zoom meeting. Someone invited you to a Zoom meeting? Great. Here's how to join. First, click the meeting link. The person who scheduled the meeting should send you this link. If prompted, enter the meeting ID and password. You'll find this information in the meeting invitation. Then, click Join. Zoom will connect you to the meeting. Don't have the app? No problem. You can still join from your web browser. Just click the meeting link and follow the on-screen instructions. Section 6. Essential Zoom Features. In this section, we'll explore the key features that make Zoom an indispensable tool for virtual meetings and online collaboration. Zoom comes with a bunch of handy features to make your meetings run smoothly. These features are designed to enhance your experience and ensure that your meetings are productive and efficient. First, there's the Mute, Unmute button. This is one of the most essential features in any video conferencing tool. This button controls your microphone. You can easily mute yourself when you're not speaking and unmute when you need to contribute. When you're not speaking, it's polite to mute yourself so background noise doesn't disrupt the meeting. This helps maintain a professional and focused environment. Next, we have the Start/Stop Video button. This feature is crucial for managing your video presence during meetings. This button turns your camera on and off. You can choose to be visible to others or maintain your privacy by turning off your video. Turn on your video to let people see you, or turn it off if you'd rather not be on camera. This flexibility is great for different meeting contexts. Then, there's the chat feature. This is an incredibly useful tool for communication during meetings. The chat feature lets you type messages to other participants. You can send private messages or address the entire group. This is a great way to share links, ask questions, or make comments without interrupting the speaker. It keeps the meeting flow smooth and uninterrupted. And lastly, we have reactions. This feature adds an interactive and fun element to your meetings. Add some fun to your meetings with emojis. Reactions allow you to express your feelings without speaking. Click the Reactions button to send a thumbs up, clapping hands, or other reactions. This is a great way to show appreciation or agreement without interrupting the flow of the meeting. These features collectively make Zoom a powerful tool for virtual communication. Section 7. Mastering Audio and Video. Clear audio and video are essential for a great Zoom experience. Here's how to optimize yours. Choose the right microphone. If possible, use a headset or external microphone for the best sound quality. Check your camera angle. Position your camera so you're well lit and centered in the frame. Test your audio and video before the meeting. Click on the arrow next to the microphone or camera icon to select your devices and adjust the settings. Use the Touch Up My Appearance feature. This handy tool can help you look your best on camera, even if you're having a bad hair day. Section 8. Sharing your screen. Want to show your colleagues a presentation, document, or website? Zoom makes it easy to share your screen. Click the green Share Screen button. You'll find it at the bottom of the meeting window. Choose what you want to share. You can share your entire desktop, a specific application window, or even just a portion of your screen. Click Share. Everyone in the meeting will now be able to see your screen. To stop sharing, click the red Stop Share button. This will return everyone to the main meeting view. Section 9. Advanced Zoom Tips and Tricks. Ready to take your Zoom skills to the next level? Check out these advanced features. Virtual backgrounds. Transport yourself to a tropical beach or outer space with virtual backgrounds. Click the arrow next to the video icon and select Choose Virtual Background to get started. Breakout rooms. Divide participants into smaller groups for brainstorming or discussions. The meeting host can create and manage breakout rooms from the meeting controls. Waiting room. Add an extra layer of security to your meetings by enabling the waiting room. This feature allows you to screen participants before admitting them to the meeting. Section 10. Zoom like a pro. Congratulations. You're now well on your way to becoming a Zoom master. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Zoom makes it easy to connect with people all over the world. Remember to be respectful of other participants, mute yourself when you're not speaking, and have fun. Happy Zooming!